Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodandaramaiah. In this video, I am talking about top universities in Germany for MS in Mechanical Engineering in 2021. Many people are looking to find out answers to this question. In this video, I would like to talk about top universities in Germany for overall masters and its related master courses in Germany. Universities in Germany stand out among all other universities in the world. If you are a foreign student and willing to pursue your MS from Germany, then of course it is one of the best decisions that you would be proud of for the rest of your life. Germany for decades has been one of the best countries in terms of providing excellent education, accommodation, and this is all possible due to its age-old reputed universities and institutes, which transfer its knowledge each passing year. Some German universities also offer a wide range of different subjects for students to opt for. Some of the universities are Technical University of Munich, University of Regensburg, Albstadt Sigmaringen University, Christian Albrecht Universität, Technische Universität Darmstadt, University Konstanz, Johannes Gutenberg University, Friedrich Alexander University, Erlangen, Nuremberg, Ludwig Maximilians University Munich, Braunschweig University of Technology, University of Cologne, Leipzig University, University of Rostock, Offenburg University of Applied Sciences, Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt University, University of Stuttgart, University of Augsburg, Goethe University Frankfurt, F.H. Aachen University of Applied Sciences, Reutlingen University. You being Indian students and selecting Germany for your higher education, then it should be your utmost responsibility not only to select the best institution based on according to your opted course, but also check out the different programs or factors that could really be beneficial for you. German universities provide a variety of options like research centers, research projects, doctorate programs, postdoctorate programs, recruitment process. Some German institutes have a good university life atmosphere where a student can enjoy and relax with music, art, culture along with sports after a hectic study session. Recently, some universities and institutes have introduced new and advanced courses which are in more demand by foreign students. German universities are ranked among the top universities in the world. Germany is one of the top countries that Indian students aim for overseas education. Although there are many other European universities that provide MS in Mechanical Engineering, the record that German universities hold in this sector is undoubtedly the best. It is every foreign student's dream to study MS in Mechanical Engineering from a German university or institute. Advanced Master's Program in Mechanical Engineering, MS in Robotics, MS in Mechatronics, MS in Artificial Intelligence, MS in Data Science, MS in Big Data Analytics. These all are related to the mechanical industry that has come up and being taken up by a lot of mechanical students. Also, I will be discussing the various factors that foreign student must know about before opting for MS in Mechanical Engineering from Germany. List of top 10 universities for MS in Mechanical Engineering in Germany are Berlin Institute of Technology, Freiburg University, University of Wuppertal, University of Gießen, Ravensburg Weingarten University, University of Applied Sciences, Ingolstadt, Technical University of Munich, Hochschule Helsingen University, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Certain students go through a lot of pain and effort in finding the right college for pursuing MS in mechanical engineering from Germany. But before that, it is very much important that the particular individual should also focus and research on lot more things. Queries to finalize the university in Germany for MS in mechanical engineering. What is the reputation of German university and college? Faculties and facilities that the German university is providing. How is the job placement record of the MS mechanical engineering colleges? What are the other benefits that the college offers to the Indian students? How is learning in terms of both theory and practice? Is there any part-time job facility for students? Is there any language problem for foreign students who want to study in Germany? Cost of studying MS in mechanical engineering in German universities. The above are just a few queries that a normal Indian student must look into before planning to do MS in mechanical from Germany. So, to solve all queries related to study in Germany or study MS in Germany or study MS in mechanical from Germany, one can come to our study in Germany to Proactive Overseas Consultants Vijayawada for helping Indian students who are willing or planning for higher studies in top universities of Germany. If you like this video, you can share among your friends and well-wishers, those who aspire for abroad education. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.